Goodbye. Night cramps. 8 magnesium habits you must use for deep sleep. If you've ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night with a painful cramp in your legs, calves or feet, you know just how miserable it feels. These night cramps don't just steal your rest, they can also leave your muscles sore the next day, making it harder to stay active and energized. But here's the good news. Magnesium might be the missing piece you've been overlooking. Before we dive in, let me ask you, how often do you struggle with night cramps? Once a week? Every night? Or maybe they've been haunting you for years? You're not alone, and today we're uncovering 8 magnesium habits that can relax your muscles, restore deep sleep, and finally let your body rest the way it was designed to. 1. Add magnesium-rich greens to your dinner plate. When it comes to preventing those painful night cramps, one of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can build is adding more dark leafy greens to your evening meal. Vegetables like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses loaded with magnesium, the mineral your body desperately needs to help your muscles fully relax. Here's why it matters. Magnesium acts like nature's muscle relaxant. Every time your muscles contract and release, magnesium is involved in the process. But when your body doesn't get enough, the balance between contraction and relaxation is thrown off, leading to stiffness, spasms, and yes, those frustrating cramps that jolt you awake at night. In fact, studies show that people with low magnesium levels are much more likely to experience frequent muscle cramping and restless legs. Adding greens to your dinner plate is an easy way to give your body what it needs right before bedtime. For example, sautéing a handful of spinach with garlic and olive oil takes just minutes, but delivers a huge boost of magnesium. Or, if you prefer something lighter, a fresh kale salad with avocado, pumpkin seeds, and a squeeze of lemon is both refreshing and mineral-rich. And don't forget, leafy greens aren't just good for your muscles. They're also packed with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins like A, C, and K, which help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and keep your circulation strong. All of these benefits support deeper, more restful sleep. So you're not only avoiding cramps, but also waking up feeling recharged. The key is consistency. Make it a daily habit to include at least one magnesium-rich green with your evening meal. Over time, you'll give your body the tools it needs to calm the nervous system, ease tension, and keep those cramps from interrupting your rest. Think of it as a simple dinner upgrade with powerful nighttime rewards. Before we move on, if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. That way, you'll always get the latest natural health tips to keep your body moving pain-free. 2. Soak in a warm Epsom salt bath. If you've ever experienced tight, cramping muscles at night, one of the most soothing remedies you can try is a warm bath with Epsom salt before bed. Epsom salt isn't just an ordinary bath additive. It's made of magnesium sulfate, a compound that your body can actually absorb through the skin. That means while you're soaking, you're not only relaxing, you're giving your muscles a direct supply of the mineral they need to let go of tension. Here's how it works. When dissolved in warm water, the magnesium in Epsom salt penetrates your skin, reaching your muscles and nervous system. Magnesium is essential for regulating muscle contractions, easing spasms, and calming nerve signals that often trigger night cramps. At the same time, the warmth of the bath increases circulation, loosens stiff joints, and sends a message to your body that it's time to wind down. The result? Your muscles are soothed, your mind is calmer, and you set yourself up for deeper, more restorative sleep. Think of this habit as a nightly spa treatment with medical benefits. Not only are you preventing painful cramps, but you're also lowering stress hormones, improving blood flow, and supporting your body's natural relaxation cycle. Many people who add an Epsom salt soak to their routine report fewer leg cramps, less muscle soreness, and a much easier time drifting off to sleep. The best part is that it's simple to do. Just add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt into a tub of warm, not hot water, soak for about 15 to 20 minutes, and let the magnesium work its magic. For extra relaxation, you can even add a few drops of calming essential oils like lavender or chamomile. Make this a consistent part of your bedtime routine, and over time, you'll likely notice fewer night cramps, less tension, and a more peaceful night's rest. It's one of the easiest ways to combine self-care with true health benefits. 3. Snack on magnesium-packed nuts and seeds. When it comes to natural, nutrient-dense snacks that fight off night cramps, nuts and seeds are some of the most powerful foods you can add to your evening routine. Options like pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews and sunflower seeds are especially rich in magnesium, which is the key mineral your body needs to keep muscles loose and nerves calm while you sleep. Here's why this matters. Magnesium helps regulate the delicate balance between calcium and potassium in your muscles. Without enough magnesium, calcium can build up in muscle cells, causing them to contract and tighten, which is one of the main triggers for painful nighttime cramps. By enjoying a magnesium-rich snack before bed, you're essentially supplying your body with the tools it needs to relax muscles and prevent those sudden jolts of pain at night. But that's not all. Nuts and seeds also provide healthy fats, protein and fibre, which do more than just fuel your body. They help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. This is important because sudden drops in blood sugar can cause restlessness, night sweats, or even hunger pangs that interrupt sleep. A small handful of pumpkin seeds or almonds in the evening works like a steady energy drip, keeping your body balanced and satisfied until morning. Think of it as a 2-in-1 benefit. You're preventing cramps while also improving sleep quality. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to make this a habit. You can sprinkle seeds over a bedtime yogurt, mix a small handful of almonds with dried fruit, or even keep a jar of pumpkin seeds by your bedside for a quick and healthy evening nibble. The key is to keep it small and balanced. About a quarter cup is all you need. Too much can be heavy on your digestion before bed, but just the right amount can provide enough magnesium to calm your muscles and prepare your body for a long, restful night's sleep. 4. Replace sugary desserts with dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Indulging in a piece of high-quality dark chocolate can actually be a smart and healthy bedtime habit. When you choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're also giving your body a powerful dose of magnesium, along with antioxidants that support overall health. Here's why this matters. Many people unknowingly sabotage their sleep by finishing dinner with sugary desserts, like cake, cookies, or ice cream. These foods may feel comforting in the moment, but they cause a sharp spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. That crash can leave you restless, wake you up in the middle of the night, or even trigger muscle cramps since your body is scrambling to rebalance itself. Dark chocolate, on the other hand, works with your body instead of against it. A small square provides magnesium to relax your muscles, iron to support oxygen flow, and flavonoids that improve circulation. This combination helps reduce nighttime cramping while also promoting a calmer nervous system. The perfect recipe for falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. Another bonus: dark chocolate also stimulates the release of serotonin, your brain's feel-good neurotransmitter. Serotonin plays a direct role in producing melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. So, by choosing a little dark chocolate in the evening, you're not only easing muscle tension, but also naturally supporting your body's own sleep chemistry. The key, of course, is moderation. Just 1 or 2 small squares, about 1 ounce, is enough to enjoy the benefits without overloading your system with caffeine or calories. Pair it with a cup of herbal tea or a handful of magnesium-rich nuts and seeds, and you've got the ultimate nighttime snack that helps prevent cramps and prepares your body for deep, uninterrupted rest. So the next time a dessert craving hits after dinner, skip the sugary treats and reach for a piece of rich, velvety dark chocolate. It's proof that healthy habits don't have to mean giving up the foods you love. Sometimes they're just a smarter, more satisfying swap. 5. Sip on magnesium. Rich herbal teas. Sometimes the simplest habits make the biggest difference, and ending your evening with a warm cup of herbal tea is one of them. Teas like chamomile and peppermint are naturally rich in magnesium and come packed with calming properties that help prepare your body for rest. When you sip herbal tea before bed, two powerful things happen. Your nervous system unwinds. The warmth and soothing nature of these teas signal to your brain that it's time to relax, lowering stress hormones and easing mental tension. Your muscles loosen up. The magnesium in chamomile, peppermint, and other herbs helps reduce tightness, prevent cramping, and release built-up stress from the day. Think of this nightly ritual as a gentle reset button for your body. Unlike caffeinated drinks or sugary nighttime snacks, herbal teas promote balance instead of disruption. They relax your digestive system, steady your breathing, and prepare your body for the deep, restorative sleep you need. For an extra boost, choose blends that highlight magnesium-rich herbs like nettle, lemon balm, or passion flower. These teas not only enhance your magnesium intake, but also provide additional benefits, from improving circulation to calming an overactive mind. The beauty of this habit is in its ritual-like consistency. Just the act of brewing tea, inhaling the steam, and slowly sipping creates a moment of stillness that signals to your body, it's time to rest. Over time, this can become your secret weapon against cramps and sleepless nights, transforming something as simple as a warm cup into a powerful tool for better health. So tonight, skip the late-night soda or coffee and make yourself a magnesium-packed herbal tea instead. Your muscles, your mind, and your sleep cycle will thank you. 6. Try magnesium supplements. Wisely. Even with the best diet, sometimes your body needs a little extra support, and that's where magnesium supplements come in. If night cramps keep sneaking up on you despite healthy habits, adding the right supplement could be the missing piece to your puzzle. Not all magnesium supplements are created equal though. The two forms that are most effective for muscle relaxation and sleep are magnesium glycinate, gentle on the stomach and highly absorbable. This form is often recommended for those who deal with cramps, stress, or trouble sleeping. It's especially good for calming the nervous system. Magnesium citrate. Another easily absorbed option, this form helps relax muscles while also supporting healthy digestion. Both are excellent choices, but your body may respond better to one than the other. It's important to remember, supplements should support your health, not complicate it. That's why checking with your doctor before starting is crucial, especially if you're already taking medications for blood pressure, heart health, or other conditions. Magnesium can interact with certain prescriptions, and professional guidance ensures you stay safe while getting results. When used wisely, a magnesium supplement can reduce nighttime muscle spasms and cramps, calm overactive nerves that keep you awake, improve overall sleep quality and recovery. Think of supplements as a targeted boost, not a replacement for good food or lifestyle habits, but a reliable backup when your body needs a little more help. Sometimes this single change is what finally tips the scale from restless nights to deep, uninterrupted sleep. So if your night cramps feel stubborn or persistent, talk with your healthcare provider about adding magnesium supplements to your routine. This small, thoughtful adjustment could make a world of difference in how rested, refreshed, and pain-free you wake up each morning. 7. Limit caffeine and alcohol in the evening. Caffeine and alcohol may feel like harmless evening indulgences, but they can quietly sabotage your sleep and magnesium levels. Here's why. Caffeine, whether it's that late coffee, energy drink, or even strong black tea, caffeine is a stimulant that lingers in your system for hours. Not only does it keep your brain wired when you're trying to wind down, but it also interferes with how your body absorbs and uses magnesium. That means your muscles don't get the full benefit of this essential mineral, leaving them more prone to cramping at night. Alcohol, a glass of wine or a nightcap, might make you feel sleepy at first, but alcohol actually disrupts deep sleep cycles and dehydrates your body. When your system is low on fluids, your muscles become tighter and more likely to spasm. Alcohol also makes it harder for your body to hold on to magnesium, compounding the problem. The solution? Set a cut-off time. Try to avoid caffeine and alcohol after 4 p.m. or earlier if you're sensitive. Instead, swap them for muscle-friendly, hydrating alternatives like herbal teas, chamomile, peppermint, or magnesium-rich blends. Infused water with cucumber, lemon, or mint. Warm milk with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a cozy, relaxing touch. Making this switch helps your body hold onto magnesium, keeps you properly hydrated, and supports your natural sleep rhythm. It's a simple habit that can transform restless nights into restful, cramp-free sleep. Think of it this way. Every cup of coffee or glass of wine you skip in the evening is like a small gift to your muscles and your sleep cycle. Your body will thank you with fewer cramps and deeper rest. 8. Stay hydrated with magnesium-infused water. Dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of night cramps. When your body doesn't have enough fluids, your muscles can't contract and relax properly, leaving you more vulnerable to sudden spasms that jolt you awake in pain. Staying hydrated in the evening is essential, but here's a way to take it up a notch. Magnesium-infused water. By adding a few drops of liquid magnesium or dissolvable tablets into your nightly glass of water, you're not only replenishing fluids, but also giving your body a direct source of the very mineral your muscles crave. This simple combination works on multiple levels. Boosts hydration. Water helps maintain healthy circulation and muscle elasticity. Delivers magnesium, extra support for muscle relaxation and cramp prevention. Supports overall recovery. Rehydrated muscles are less tense and more resilient. Try sipping magnesium-infused water about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It hydrates your body overnight, supports your sleep cycle, and helps your muscles stay calm while you rest. If you don't have magnesium drops, even just committing to a tall glass of plain water before bedtime makes a difference. But pairing hydration with magnesium can be a true game changer. Think of it as your nightly shield against cramps. One simple glass of water that prepares your body for deep, peaceful sleep. Night cramps don't have to be a lifelong battle. By weaving these 8 magnesium habits into your evenings, you can give your body the tools it needs to stay calm, hydrated, and balanced. Each habit may seem small on its own, but together they create a powerful routine that strengthens your muscles, supports better sleep, and helps you finally wake up refreshed instead of in pain. Remember, consistency is the key. These aren't quick fixes. They're gentle, sustainable changes that build resilience over time. Start with 1 or 2 tonight and gradually layer in the rest. Before long, you'll notice calmer nights, stronger mornings, and the confidence of knowing you're actively protecting your body. Your sleep matters, your health matters, and with these habits, you can reclaim both. Now tell me, which of these magnesium habits are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. I'd love to hear your plan. And as always remember, eat like a person, not a patient. Thank you for watching.